In case you're wanting to buy an Emeril Lagasse Power Air Fryer 360, this is how this thing smokes. So I got 2 chicken thighs in there with just a little bit of olive oil and seasoning. This thing is smoking like a European disco party. And it's been smoking like this basically with anything that drips, and you could hear it drip. You know, it's dripping, you know, it's 2 thighs, 2 pretty serious sized thighs. Let's open it up and see how it looks. Oh, look at all that smoke. Got a little steamy there. It's cooking it nice, but all of that down there is just getting burned by those heating elements right there. It's not fun. Look at my house, very smoky. Emeril Lagasse, you gotta do something about it.